Hey, what's up, Untitled Chapter Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw a teacher. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. One more thing. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with.
So for the first step in making our teacher, we're going to begin by making a big U-like shape for the face. Awesome. Now underneath of that shape that we just made, we're going to make another small U-like shape for the neck. Now to the left and right side of the neck, we're going to begin to make the shoulders of our teacher. Now in between those two shoulders that we just made, we're going to begin to make two C-like shapes. Now from these two C-like shapes that we just made, we're going to begin to make the shirt and skirt of our teacher. Awesome. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the skirt down below. Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to begin to extend the arms of our teacher. Fantastic. Now we're going to finish the body later, but right now we're going to move up and we're going to begin to make the hair for our teacher. Now for the hairline, we're going to make just a bunch of sharp-like edges. Now underneath that big hairline that we just made, we're going to begin to make two big square-like shapes. These will be for the glasses. Now we're going to make small lines in between the glasses as well as on the outsides that will be connecting to the outside of the face. Now by where we just made these small lines, we're going to begin to make C-like shapes for the ears of our teacher. Fantastic, this is coming along very well. So now we're going to begin to make the eyebrows for our teacher. So we're going to make small curved lines right above the glasses. For the nose, we're going to make a small C-like shape. And for the mouth, if you just want to use a simple U-like smile, that'll be completely okay as well. Now once we have the mouth finished as well as the nose, we're going to move into the glasses. We're going to begin to make the pupils for our teacher. Fantastic, we just completed the face. Now we're going to move down below. We're going to begin to make the left hand for our teacher. Now let's hop on over to the right hand side and let's make the second hand. So for the last step, we're going to begin to make the legs of our teacher. So we're going to go below the skirt and we're going to make two sets of parallel lines. Now underneath of the legs that we have just created, we're going to begin to make the shoes of our teacher. This will be the final step in making our teacher. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our teacher during dance party color time.